Hello dear students, welcome to your favorite channel PVN Science Study. I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade.
Hello dear students, you know that alkaloid is very important secondary metabolite. In this video we will study alkaloids in detail. We will see sources, properties and uses of alkaloids. First of all we will see what is an alkaloid. Alkaloids are a group of naturally occurring chemical compounds mostly containing basic nitrogen atom. These are structures of some of the alkaloids where you can see that each alkaloid contains basic nitrogen atom. Alkaloids have been known to human beings for several centuries. The term alkaloid was introduced in 1819 by German chemist Carl F.W. Meissner. Alkaloid, this word is derived from Arabic word al-kulza. Meaning of this word is ashes of plants. Alkaloids have diverse and important physiological effects on human as well as other animals. Well-known alkaloids are morphine, this is structure of morphine, as well as strychnine, then quinine, this is quinine, ephedrine, nicotine and many other. Many alkaloids are given the name by adding the suffix -ine to the name of the genus or the species of the plant. Such as atropine is the name of alkaloid as it derived from the atropa. To the name of the genus atropa, -ine is added and the name given to the alkaloid is atropine. Several alkaloids are extracted from one plant and then their names often contain suffixes such as idine, anine, aline as well as inine. Dear students, now we will see sources of alkaloids. These are some of the photographs of the alkaloid sources. Alkaloids are naturally produced mainly by plants. They are also produced by bacteria, fungi and animals. Around 5,000 alkaloids of all types have been known to occur in 50% of all land plants and in more than 150 families of plants. Alkaloids are also produced from the fungi. Very common example it is the ergot fungi. This is the photograph of the ergot fungi. Ergot contains rich amount of alkaloids. It contains ergotamina as well as lysergic acid. Alkaloids occur in various parts of the plant such as stem, rhizomes, roots, bars, leaves, fruits as well as seeds. Apart from angiosperm, alkaloids are also produced from some gymnosperm species. Very common species are Ephedra. This is the photograph of Ephedra sinica, which produce very popular alkaloid that is ephedrine. Another gymnosperm species is Taxus. In angiosperm group of plants, alkaloids are also produced from the dicotyledonous families. It is also produced from family Papaver. Very common alkaloid produced from this family are morphine as well as codeine. So this is the diagram which shows opium which produce the alkaloid morphine. Another alkaloid codeine is also produced from the Papaver family members. Alkaloids are also produced from another dicotyledonous family that is Rubiaceae. The alkaloid produced are quinine as well as caffeine and theanine. This is the photograph which shows structure of alkaloid caffeine. This is the structure and this is the molecular formula of the caffeine. Caffeine, this alkaloid is produced from the coffee plant. Another important family which produce alkaloid is Solanaceae and alkaloid produced are atropine as well as scopolamine and nicotine. So this is the diagram which shows the plant Atropa which produce the alkaloid atropine, and this is the photograph of tobacco plant which produce the alkaloid nicotine. Botanical name of this plant is Nicotiana tabacum, and it produces the alkaloid that is nicotine. Another important families which are sources of alkaloid are Apocynaceae, Fabaceae, Ranunculaceae, Rutaceae and other families. In monocotyledon, some of the important families as source of alkaloid are Liliaceae as well as Amaryllidaceae. Here you can see the plant as well as the alkaloids produced from these plant. So some of the examples are berberine alkaloid which is produced from the plant Berberis vulgaris. Morphine is produced from the plant Papaver somniferum. Galantamine is produced from the plant Galanthus nivalis. This is the structure of salsoline which is produced from the plant Salsola oppositifolia. Gysospermine is produced from the plant Gysospermum velusi. Then another alkaloid is physostigmine produced from the plant Physostigmine venusum. As well as the other plant here you can see are Anchuria, Piper, Lobella, Nandina, Nicotina, Erythrina, Pagnum, Huperzia, Vincia, coffee plant, as well as Areca catechu. Dear students, now we will study properties of alkaloids. The alkaloids are bitter in taste and have pronounced physiological activity. Most of the alkaloids are colorless crystalline solids, while some alkaloids are colored. Betendine is red in color, while berberine is yellow in color. Some of the alkaloids are amorphous gums, while some alkaloids like conine, spartine and nicotine are liquid and volatile in nature. Most of the alkaloids are levorotatory, that means they are optically active. Few alkaloids are dextrorotatory. Common example it is coninin, while few alkaloids are optically inactive. As we know that alkaloid contain one or more nitrogen atoms. Most of the alkaloids are basic in nature due to availability of lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen. The basic character of alkaloid is enhanced if the adjacent functional groups are electron releasing. Alkaloids with basic character are very much sensitive to decomposition and create a problem during their storage. The free bases of alkaloids are soluble in organic nonpolar solvents and are insoluble in water. Most of the alkaloids contain oxygen in their molecular structure. Alkaloids have sharp melting point. The salts of most of the alkaloids are soluble in water and are sparingly soluble in organic solvents. When alkaloids form salt with inorganic acid, they prevent decomposition. Alkaloid may exist in form of primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine as well as quaternary ammonium compounds. With this we have completed properties of alkaloids. Now we will see uses of alkaloids. Many of the alkaloids possesses curative properties and are of great value in medicine and so used for the production of various medicines. Many alkaloids possesses local anesthetic properties. Cocaine is the alkaloid produced from Erythroxylum coca plant. This cocaine alkaloid is very potent local anesthetic. Another alkaloid is quinine. It is produced from the Cinchona species. This quinine alkaloid is a powerful antimalarial agent that was formerly the drug of the choice for the treatment of malaria. Morphine is another powerful narcotic used for the relief of the pain. This is the morphine drug. Codeine is an excellent analgesic also used as cough medicine. Alkaloids such as vinblastine as well as vincristine are used as anti-tumor. Alkaloid vincamine is also used as vasodilator and anti-hypersensitive. While the alkaloid teibocorine is used as muscle relaxant. Certain alkaloids act as cardiac or the respiratory stimulants. This is the structure of alkaloid quinidine. It is used to treat irregular rhythms of the heartbeat. Ergonovine is the alkaloid produced from the fungus Claviceps purpurea, as well as ephedrine alkaloid act as blood vessel constrictors. Many synthetic as well as semi-synthetic drugs are structural modifications of the alkaloids. Plants contain alkaloids which are used as psychoactive substance. Common example is cocaine, which act as a stimulant for the central nervous system, as well as morphine and codeine act as strong painkillers. The alkaloids form the active principles of many abuse drugs like cocaine, marijuana, hashish, opium, etc. Application of alkaloids in agriculture are also very important. Earlier, some of the alkaloids such as salts of nicotine were used as insecticide, as you can see here. The alkaloids are also used in food industry. They are commonly present in refreshing drinks such as you can see here coffee. Alkaloids are also present in tea, cocoa, etc. Dear students, with this we have completed alkaloids in detail. In next video we will study glycosides. Thank you.